Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking scientific discovery that's rewriting our understanding of diseases like multiple sclerosis, MS, and even our physical traits. Let's unravel the mystery hidden in our ancient DNA. Scientists have made a quantum leap in understanding how a gene linked to MS spread across Europe. But how did they do it? The answer lies in ancient teeth and bones. Researchers from Cambridge, Copenhagen, and Oxford spent over a decade studying archaeology to understand why MS is more common in northwestern Europe. They traced the risk back to a massive migration of cattle herders, known as the Yamnaya, from regions like western Russia and Kazakhstan, about 5,000 years ago. These herders carried gene variants that protected them from animal diseases. But fast forward to today, these same genes have a different impact. They now increase the risk of developing diseases like MS due to changes in our lifestyle, diet, and hygiene. Dr. William Barry from the University of Cambridge expresses astonishment at these findings, and Professor Lars Fugge from Oxford points out that MS isn't caused by mutations, it's driven by normal genes that once protected us against pathogens. The discovery has significant implications for treating MS. Current drugs target the immune system and can leave patients vulnerable to infections. The challenge is to find a balance without completely suppressing the immune system. This isn't the end of the story. The team is now looking to trace the origins of other conditions like autism, ADHD, bipolar disorder, and depression through ancient DNA. Another fascinating finding is that the Yamnaya herders might be why Northern Europeans are taller than Southern Europeans. And while Northern Europeans have a higher genetic risk for MS, Southern Europeans are more prone to bipolar disorder, and Eastern Europeans to Alzheimer's and type 2 diabetes. The implications of this research are vast, shedding light on how our past shapes our present and future. That's all for today's episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing science stories. See you next time on our channel.